Now we're ready to go back and add a vehicle. Our getting started icon is still up here on the top right, so we'll click on that and it will either show us how to add a vehicle by going to our three icons and clicking on My Vehicle, or we can just go straight to the Go Vehicles page. When the Go New Vehicles page opens, the new vehicle screen also opens, as we now have no vehicles in our database. So we can start adding details of our vehicle. After the name, which is all you absolutely need, the rest of the information is optional. You can put in a registration due date, just to prompt you when it's due. You can also put in your insurance details. And this is a handy reference if you're ever in the unfortunate position that you need it in the future. You might want to add a vehicle photo. It's actually a good idea just to make easy reference when you do use vehicles for fuel and other data you want to upload. It does take a few seconds to upload any images, so we'll just wait till that image uploads and then we can save this vehicle only. We'll then find that we have our vehicle. It's actually taken us straight to the new trips page. We'll go back to our vehicles page and we can see that we've got our vehicle there and we have the details that we put in, and then we have graphs here. Once we put some fuel in, we'll have some graphs of how much fuel that vehicle's using. And here's our vehicle listed here on the left. If we have more than one vehicle, we'll have more vehicles listed here. And if once the vehicle's been on some trips, those trips will be listed here. So we can now edit this vehicle if we need to, or we can delete the vehicle. So if we click edit, we just come back to that same screen and we can edit any of the details in that screen about that vehicle, or we can change the photo and we can update the vehicle there. If the vehicle hasn't been used on any trips, we can delete the vehicle here. It'll just check, do we really want to delete this vehicle? At the moment we don't, but if we do, yes, we can click yes to delete the vehicle. If we want to add a new vehicle, we can click the add new vehicle, because you might have a Toad or a Caravan or some other vehicle. And that's all for now for adding a vehicle or editing or deleting a vehicle.